Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to do this cute look right here. Oh my god, it's so cute, right? It looks like a hot Cheeto bag, but I don't eat hot Cheetos. I'm gonna still name it that. If you guys want to learn how to do this cute hot Cheeto sunset look, keep watching. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it super easy and super simple. Baby, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. So, to start with our sunset look or whatever, I have a couple of brushes out for this. I mean, I am a lazy type of girl who doesn't like wash their brushes, but your eyeshadow look is not gonna come out how you want it if your eyeshadow brushes are dirty. I would suggest using clean brushes, especially if you're going for like an intricate look like this. This is like a pretty easy way to like achieve a look, you know what I mean? What am I even talking about now? So this isn't the final look, but this is what we're going to be going for. And it looks a little bit scary just because of the different colors, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So I have designated brushes for each different layer that we're going to be doing. But first what we're going to do is we're going to prime our lids. You could go ahead and prime your lid any way that you choose to. Like always, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution and I'm just going to prime my lid, which means I'm just going to put a little bit of product on my lid. And then I'm just gonna blend that out just so that our powders have something to stick onto, especially I have dry skin. If you have dry skin, then you'll be familiar with the fact that like your makeup doesn't want to stick onto your scaly skin. So I like to prime with my thick concealer and then just blend that out with my sponge just so that we have a cute little base down. Like I said, I have those designated brushes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go in with my brush that I designated for like light colors, white color. I'm gonna go into Flashback, which is a super nice white color. And I'm just gonna go over the whole lid and just kind of give myself a nice base to work with. And I'm also going to bring that white color all the way up into my brow bone. And we're just going to blend that until it's like an opaque, light white base. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go with my brush that I designated for yellow. I'm going to go into the color B. I have like somewhat hooded eyes, so as you can see over here, I went a little bit above my natural crease. So I'm just gonna put that up here in swiping motions, and I'm gonna go back and forth with that yellow, and I'm gonna even bring it down into like this little depth, not exactly in a corner, but like above it. And we're gonna bring that yellow and blend it out. So the brush for the yellow that I used was a little bit looser, whereas this one for the orange, it is still loose, but it has more bristles and it's more compact. We're gonna go into 518 and I'm gonna put that over the yellow. And I'm gonna start keeping the orange more in the center, but I'm gonna add more so that we have a bright orange color. And then with this brush, it has like a little swoop right here. It's gonna be easy for us to carve out a crease. So I'm gonna go into You're Kidding. And now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna keep the color concentrated over here, but I'm gonna also carve out the shape that I want. So now I have this little line, right, where I'm cutting my crease, and I'm gonna start packing my product and then blend it in with whatever's left. Now that it's less concentrated, I'm gonna go and kind of line above where the white starts, you know what I mean? So we're just putting like a little line And you want to be super light with this. I'm barely putting any pressure on my brush at all. I'm going to go back into the orange brush and I'm going to put a little more 518 on there and go back in the middle and blend out the orange. And then go back into your red color and again keep that at the edge over here. No pressure. There's literally no pressure on my brush. I'm barely putting any. I'm letting the brush do its job and I'm just gliding that color. Try to define that line. So now that we have that red color down, we're gonna go into rusted. It's not as vibrant. Pack that into the red just so that it gives us a little bit of a darker red. Go back into our orange color in the middle, blend that. We're gonna go back with our yellow brush, go back into B, our yellow color, and we're gonna swipe that all over our lid. And make sure to stay into that confined area that you created yourself. I'm gonna go in with a skinnier brush and I'm gonna wet that with some Tarte setting spray. And I'm gonna go into the color Ring Light. And we're gonna put that all over our lid. And then I'm gonna go back into red, but I'm not gonna get any more product. I'm just gonna drag my red brush along that line that we made just to make sure we didn't lose any of that. I'm gonna take my finger and go back into my yellow color, dab it over here. We're gonna go under our eye with that red brush that we had, and we're just gonna run that in our lash line. Alright guys, so we have some lashes on. We finished everything else. So guys, this is our completed look. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it, if it was easy for you to follow, if you guys need more details, if you need more in depth. Let me know everything that you guys want to know down in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to turn your notifications on to know when I'm going to be posting. What did you guys think of this look? I really love it. I love the mix. It looks like a hot Cheeto bag. Looks like a sunset. Looks like a popsicle. And with these mink lashes, it doesn't even matter that I messed up my eyeliner. That's why everybody should get some.